Hi, this is Jo.
And this is Vicky.
And we're the Two Natural Ladies.
And
Christmassy.
we are, yeah.
Elf Jo and Santa Vicky. So, what are we talking about today, Jo?
Your client.
Oh, that's right. I was telling you that I had a client come and visit me in the showroom yesterday, and I was asking her if she was using the laundry powder, and she said no, because I haven't used the sample you gave me, but she said I actually use laundry liquid. And so I said, oh, we have liquid, and so she asked me what the differences were. So here we are with the laundry liquid and the laundry powder, and basically I think it comes firstly down to preference.
Definitely.
So the minute she tells me she's using laundry liquid, she can stay with the laundry liquid. I should have brought a pump over. So, and the advantage of the laundry liquid is you can pump rather than sticking your hand into the powder. So it's pretty much on a par price-wise, washes-wise. The one thing that differentiates this is if you are using a grey water system, it is better for grey water because it's been tested and the pH is very close to that of water.
Yep, exactly. Yeah. And I guess the other thing is that a lot of people have been anti-powder because they've been using a powder that's got a lot of filler in it, and then it gets in the clothes, and a lot of people with their blacks, they find the powder leaves marks on their clothes. You won't get that with our powder. No. So I'm a powder girl. I have used both. I just am a powder girl, and but it's really it's mainly preference. But we're just saying our powder is different to most powders out there because it's 100% active. So.
Yes, and I use the powder too, but I did for a while change the liquid when I did have a grey water system. And not that the powder's bad, they say with the laundry powder, it's just the mineral salts.
Yes.
You need to rotate where the water's going. So if you've got a hose going out, you rotate it, whereas you don't have to worry about that with the laundry liquid.
That's right.
It's a subtle difference.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, laundry or liquid? Powder or liquid? What are you? We'd love to hear.
Yes.
Bye.